Okay, now let's see number 2. They say find the zeros of polynomial, this one. Since it is a polynomial, we can write it as p. Then because we have variable x, we can write it x for easy calculation. Okay, so we can write it this way. We take this one to be p of x. Then here we have only two terms, so that means we cannot apply split middle term. Let us see whether we can apply formula or not. If we cannot apply formula, that means we have to take common. So we have here p of x equals 0. Since we have minus 49, can you square it? Yes, it is a square of 7. Then 64, is it a square of some number? Yes, square of what? Square of 8. So here you see you have like something like a square minus b square, no? A square minus b square. So we have formula, that means we can apply formula. A square minus b square is equal to what? It is equal to a minus b, a plus b. What is your a here? Your a is 7x, your b is 8. So you can write 7x from the formula here minus 8, then 7x, here we have plus 8. Okay, so we get 2 factor, so that partly. Next is we have to find the value of x. Okay, why I put it equal to 0? Remember, because whenever we have to find the value of x, we need to make everything equal to 0. Okay, so now we can separate it. Either 7x minus 8 equal to 0, or 7x plus 8 equal 0. This is minus, take that side, it will become plus. So x here now will be 7 and x in 2. So if I bring it this side, it will become divide. So the value of x is 8 by 7. This is plus, take that side, it will become minus. Then between 7 and x there is in 2. If I bring it this side, it will become minus. So those two value for x is 8 by 7 and minus 8 by 7. To test whether your answer is correct or not, you replace it here. Okay, so if you get everything equal 0, it is your answer is correct. If you don't get equal to 0, it is not correct. We will move on to number 3. Remember, our aim is to find the zeros. Here again now we have 3 terms. That means it will come ax square minus bx plus c. Okay, so since 3 is not a perfect square, that means we cannot apply formula. Again, we have to go split middle term. But for splitting middle term, we have to arrange the term. Remember, we should get square first. So there you can write 3x square. Then because we should have x in between. Okay, we just arrange, so there will be no change in sign. Then we have constant term, that is a number without x. We are just exchanging the position without moving to the other part of equal, so there will be no change in sign. So now here your a is a coefficient of x square, it is 3. Your b coefficient of x, that is minus 4. Constant term is c, that is number without x or y, we have minus 4. Remember what to do. First we have to multiply a and c to get the number. So leave the sign aside, we'll take only the number. Here we have 3, here we have 4. 3 into 4, we get 12. So we need two number. If we multiply, we will get 12. Here what sign you have? Minus. If we minus, we should get the middle term, that is 4. Okay, we have to find two number. Remember, so that if multiply, we'll get 12. If minus, we should get 4. They should be the same number. Okay, here you see 4 into 3, we get 12. But 4 minus 3, is it 4? No. So we have to find out. How to find out? Take this number and split it. Okay, 12 even number, so we can divide by 2. 2 into what will be 12? 2 into 6 will be 12. Then 6 minus 2, how much? We have it 4. So you could have many number, but we should take only the one which satisfied both, okay? Because you can see we have 4 into 3 equal 12. 6 into 2 equal 12, okay? You can also have the option 12 into 1 equal 12. But remember, we should satisfy both. 4 minus 3, we don't get 4. 12 minus 1, we don't get 4. So that is why we have to take this one, because multiply also we get 12. If we minus also we get 4. They should satisfy both the condition for multiply as well as for minus and plus. Here we have minus, so we have to do, okay? So the number we have to split in the middle term, that means instead of 4, it will be 6 and 2, okay? So there we have 3x squared, let it remain same. Instead of 4, remember split middle term, so we have to break it, okay? So instead of 4, I will write 6 minus 2. This minus, here we have minus, so I have to put whole x minus 4, okay? Then there we'll have 3x squared, leave it like that, remove the bracket, 6 into x, 6x, minus to minus, plus 2 into x, 2x, minus 4, okay? Then now what to do? Take common this 2, okay? 2 at a time. You have 3x squared equal to 3 into x into x. Then 6x equal 3 into 2 into x. What is common from both? We have the number 3. We have also alphabet x. So those two, you take it by the side. Okay. Then inside bracket, what we have left? X. What sign here? Minus. Then here we have left 2. Okay. What sign? Plus. Then again, you check from here what is common. You can break it in the rough side. 2x, you can break it 2 into x. 4, you can break it as 2 into 2. What is common from both? 2. Okay. Then left here, x. What sign? Minus. Here 1, 2 we all take out. So we are left another 2. Okay. So now again you have to take common. These two you see, they are same. So you can take them together. Then another bracket here. Remember here not to write plus or minus because we are taking factor now. Okay. Plus 2. So we get the factor. That is the end part. But remember what is our aim? We have to find the zeros. That means the value for x or y. So we take the polynomial to be equal to 0. Instead of this, we'll replace with this one. X minus 2 whole 3x plus 2. It will be equal to 0. Now we can break it. Either the first part equal to 0 or the second part equal to 0. So here we have x minus, take that side, become plus. Then here we have 3x. This is plus. Take this side, become minus. We want only x. So this is in 2. Take that side, become divide. So minus 2 by 3. Two values for x are 2 and minus 2 by 3. So if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, replace it here. Okay. Replace it here. So if everything becomes 0, your answer is correct. If not, then it is wrong. So do remember to split middle term. We should have first square, then x, then constant